guys, so it's currently March 20, 9:22 p.m. Right now, we are here dito sa may bandang Tiplex kasi papunta kami sa Lacuzar, sa may bandang Bataan for a celebration. This is actually our first time na mag-long drive. So I'm with my partner. Okay, hi guys. So, nandito kami ngayon sa kusina ni Nanay Maria. So, this is like a Filipino cuisine. And I think this is one of the restaurant here dito sa Lacuzar. Ang dami talagang tao guys. And it's lunch. We are just waiting sa check-in. Kasi around 3 p.m. pa, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. pa. So, yeah. And hopefully, hindi masyadong mainit. Kasi ang init talaga sa labas, guys. Pero dito, may aircon. At the same time, we have hanging fan here. So, good naman.
The sky is so pretty right now. I wonder if your pretty eyes see it.
Nandito na kami ngayon guys sa room namin. So guys, ang laki. My God. Ano, may TV. And then here. Uy, grabe. Ang laki. Uy, ang ganda mag-picture. Sure kung anong size na bed to, pero grabe, ang laki. Parang kasya ang 4 na tao dito. So, nakapag-ayos na kami. Nakapag-prep na kami. 5 p.m. daw guys yung parade and cultural show. So, I'm not sure kung saan banda. Pero sabi nila is plaza. So, ito lang yung outfit ko guys. Tapos,
Bigay mo lahat.
this one. So, yan lang yung outfit. So, pipicture kami later. Matagal na namin gustong pumunta dito guys. Kaso yun nga ang layo-layo and ni Wong na may celebration ganyan. So pumunta naman ako, nag-leave pa ako today. Tapos ganda. Ganda. Buti na lang nakapag-nails ako. Sabi ko, may white kasi ako na dress doon. Sabi ko kasi, bloated kasi ako ngayon guys, kaya ayoko mag-dress kasi medyo fitted yun.
Kanina, Di ba sabi ko, doon tayo, inaano ko. Nandun na tayo sa na. Kasi, inaano ko muna yung mood mo, kung masaya ka o hindi. Naghanap ako, it's either doon, sabi ko sa ilaw-ilaw. Na doon ako magpupropose. Dito maganda. Isip ko, hindi na makapaghintay. Ang tagal ko ng sunset. Ngayon palang nagsasunset.
Ay, baka umiyak ako.
Mas, di ba?
Saya. Kaya pala, ha? Ay, nagpaalam naman. Saya-saya naman anak ko, ha?
The sky is so pretty right now. I wonder if your pretty eyes
Iyak din ako.
I need a good love. Wonder if you're ever gonna be in a couple weeks. We can drive away.
Wait lang,
You could
papakita ko.
find another victim. It's not your fault to feel this way. Sense, no direction.
True.
This town is a lot of things. And gets you down, lets you bleed.
Pwesto na yan kasi maganda yung
And I need to get out, but I can't find a ticket to leave. In a couple weeks, I could try. You could find another victim. It's not your fault.
Guys, so it's currently 9 p.m.-ish na and lumabas lang ulit kami. Gusto lang naming mag-picture. Kasi hindi pa kami nag-picture guys. After the proposal, tinawagan ko yung mga closest friends ko and then kumain na kami. So, walang picture at all. So, here is my ring. Grabe, shining, shimmering. Hi! So, nandito kami ngayon sa baba. So, ganda guys. So, ito siya guys. Tapos ito yung ilalakaran namin. For now, lalabas na kami. And para makapag-breakfast kami. So, see ya!
Unmasking of the brutality. That same night of August 19, 1896, Bonifacio, accompanied by his brother Procopio, Emilio Jacinto, Teodoro Plata, and Eduardo del Rosario, August 22nd, they proceeded to Pugadlawi. The following day, August 23, 1896, in the yard of Juan A. Ramos, men were prepared to fight to the
Sa atin ang bayang ito! Sabay-sabay natin pumili ng ating mga sedra! Mabuhay ang katipunan!
Sa ating kaliwang dibdib at sabay-sabay nating awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
more. Okay. Kung gusto mo sa kabila naman, try natin yung side. Up, dip. Ako solo na po ni Manang Sir. Isa naman. Isa ba? Smile lang. Tinginan niya po kayo, nakasmile lang. 1, 2, smile. One more. Isa pa. Okay lang, sige lang. Smile lang. Parang kanin dalawa nag-uusap talaga kayo. Kaya masaya po sa'yo.
You call me when you're lonely, but you know you don't own me. Wanna be my one and only tonight. And I don't know why you do that. Hurt me, put me through that. Got me running back to you every time.
Saragossa. Yung bahay po natin na yan, nakatayo po siya sa may Balete Drive ng mahigit 90 years.
nag-propose si Wong sa akin dito sa kinatatayuan namin ngayon.
lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt, scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.